Hi, I'm Steve Gerzeni again with Coach House, and today what we wanted to do was come into our prep shop. Our prep shop is where we test our freshwater tanks, where we test our refrigerators, where we test certain features of our vehicles before they go into the actual manufacturing process. But what we wanted to point out today was our solid surface. I'm standing here with Jason. He's been with us quite a while doing solid surface. And Jason, what I wanted to ask you is, what is it that we use here?
We use an acrylic product. It's a 1/2-inch material. Comes in the sheets. They're raw. Not much for polish. Bring them in, cut them on the CNC machine.
Okay.
They give us a raw blank. Gets sent over here. Put a laminate edge on, which would be this edge here for buildup.
Yep, so we can put a nice style line on everything. Correct. On all of our countertops.
Correct.
But also, right, by using 1/2-inch, we're able to keep the weight down, right?
Right, yeah.
So the idea is 1/2-inch here, 1 inch here,
correct,
right, with a nice style on it, correct? And
yes.
this is Corian.
It's similar to Corian. It's a renewable surface, a great product.
What do you mean by renewable? What does that mean?
You can pretty much tear it up, bring it back to me, and I'll make it back to brand new.
Gotcha. Okay, so it's a product that will always last in our vehicle, yeah. And that's what's nice. Now the acrylic side gives us what?
It's not porous.
Okay.
Obviously, it won't stain. There's a little
flexible,
little malleability, right?
Yeah,
a little flex.
Yeah.
For going down the road.
And in the history of RVs, a lot of manufacturers had a hard time with a product like a solid surface because it was more of a porcelain. Correct. Product, and they would no give, so they would break. With the Corian product, I can't think of any.
We haven't had one.
We haven't lost any that I know of off the top of my head. So even with these beautiful Vasil sinks, it's really a nice feature that we
I think it looks great, and also you can see the buildup that we do here.
Let's walk over and see what we're doing over here.
So this is our buildup here, our process. I've taken a top from the CNC we spoke about, put on the laminate to build this up to 1 inch. It's wet now. There's just cheater blocks holding it in place. Once these all come off, we'll route it back, edge it, polish it up, mount the sink. We'll be good to go.
Good to go. Nice and light, nice and strong. Now, what are we building over here?
This is actually a K-Coach galley top.
So a 271.
Yes, sir. It's going to be a 3-burner gas stove. So we're going to mock up the opening here, which would be, these have to be glued together. This is going to be our stack.
Oh, I see. Yep.
Our stack in the back, our stack on the sides. You kind of visualize the door opening. It's upside down, but.
So this is upside down of what we're doing right now.
Correct.
We're looking at the bottom side of the cabinet.
Correct. That's
now, what are these for?
These are sink anchors. They're epoxied on. Sinks put on, marked out to where it goes, lined up correctly. These get glued on. Once these dry, put a nice heavy bead of silicone here so there's never any kind of a leak issue. Mount the sink itself. Once it dries, we flip it over and begin from the top.
Mounting it from the bottom, you see no edges, nothing. Nice, clean,
no, there's
pure, nice look on that.
They never have to worry about it. A lot of times when they, you mount the sink and then you glue after, they try to caulk in the inside. It becomes a mess. Pull out all the black stuff all the time, chasing it. This way, we just put the bead back here. It's always there. It's never going anywhere. It never has a problem. It leaks.
That's awesome. Yeah, I love what we do with our solid surface that we're using, because it does wear tremendously well. You'll never wear it out.
Oh, yeah.
As he said, you can polish this forever. I guess until you break through the 1/2 inch.
Yeah, it's colored all the way
all
through.
The way
so
through.
You can sand an 1/8 inch off and resurface it, polish it. It's good stuff. I like working with it. I enjoy it.
Awesome. Well, you do a great job, and I just wanted to come back and talk to you a little bit about it. We appreciate it.
I appreciate you, sir, very much. Thank you.